Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide applications in this device. So here I am going to hide the application Instagram. You can see Instagram is in my home screen. So let me show you how to hide and unhide these apps without any third-party application. Simply go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option home screen. Tap on this one. Now scroll down. So here you can see the option hide apps on home and apps screens. Tap on this one. So if you tap on this one, you can see all the list of application, all the application from your device you can see here. And from here you have to select the application that you want to hide. So here I am going to select the application Instagram. You can see. Select this one. You can see the Instagram is under hidden application. After that, tap on done. Now go to home screen. You can see the Instagram application is not there. If you search the application here, you can see it is not there. So simply without any third-party application, we can easily hide the applications in this device. If you want to hide the gallery also, again go to settings, home screen, hide apps on home and home and apps screen, and select the application gallery. Tap on done. Go to home screen. You can see the gallery is not there. Now let me show you how to unhide this one. Again go to settings, home screen. Tap on the option hide apps on home and apps screen. And here you can see one minus button. Just tap on this one. Tap on done. If you go there, so here you can see that two applications you can see here. So simply in this way we can hide and unhide apps in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.